Welcome to my channel. This is CA Firoz. Today we are going to discuss very hot topic regarding UAE corporate tax. We will discuss here UAE corporate tax regarding natural person, means as like individual, me and you. So first of all, we need to understand, are you natural person? If you are natural person, this video is going very important for you because we will cover all aspect under the light of FTA guidelines. That guidelines I will linked here in my description box. So further move in next slide, we will consider here our discussion points. Here we will cover first of all when natural person are subject to UAE corporate tax. Means when corporate tax will be applicable on you if you are an individual. Next, we will cover here which incomes of individual are subject to corporate tax. Means you are earning many types of income. You need to understand which income is subject to corporate tax. Thereafter, we will cover here what is the corporate tax rate for natural person. If you already identify which income is subject to tax, then you need to understand what rate you need to applicable on that income. Next step we will cover here, when is natural person required to register for corporate tax purpose. This is very important. You need to understand when you are required to get registration from corporate tax. Thereafter, we will cover here what are the other compliances. Means we will already cover many things. In other compliance, we will cover here deregistration, return filing due date, and other things. So further move here. In this slide, we need to understand when are natural persons subject to UAE corporate tax. If you are individual, this is very relevant question for you. You need to understand when corporate tax will be applicable on you. There is two question before you. First question, are you engaged in business or business activity in UAE? If yes, then second question will arise on you, earn turnover from these business or business activities in excess of AED 1 million in a calendar year. If both are yes, then corporate tax will be applicable on you. I think you got it my point. In next slide we will cover here income of individual subject to corporate tax. Means as an individual you are earning many types of income like salary, investment income, and business income. Here you need to know what type of income is subject to corporate tax. For your information, business or business activity related income, if turnover exceed 81 million, are subject to tax. And other income like employment income, personal investment income, real estate income, that are income which are not subject to tax under corporate tax. I think you understand. We need to further move here. After understanding of whatever income is taxable, then you need to understand what corporate tax you need to apply. There are two types of tax rate, 0% and 9%. If your business income is up to 375,000, there is no tax, means 0% tax will be applicable on that. Beyond of 375,000, you need to calculate 9% tax rate on your taxable income. First of all, here we will cover tax period and registration. Tax period, normally you know that tax period as normal calendar year from 1st Jan to 31st December. And regarding registration, you need to know if your turnover exceed AED 1 million in a year, then registration due on you by March 31st on subsequent year. In this example, if your turnover exceed AED 1 million in 2024, then you need to get registration in corporate tax by March 31st, 2025. I think further move here we will cover other compliance like deregistration. When your business activity is closed, so within 3 months from the closing of your activity, you need to get deregistration. Apart from this, maintenance of financial record, you need to maintain your financial record up to 7 years. Further, regarding tax return, we need to understand on the closing of your financial year, you need to file your tax return within 9 months. means your tax period in 31st December. You need to file your tax return within 30th September 2025. This is current tax period and current tax due date of filing your return. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any query, please comment here. I will consider that. Thank you.